Good credit is more than just a number, it's a passport to financial freedom. Good credit opens doors to lower interest rates and better loan terms. It's about respect, responsibility, and trust. Good credit shows lenders you are reliable. Think of credit as a financial report card. It tells lenders how well you handle borrowed money. A good credit score reflects positive financial behavior. This means paying bills on time and managing debt effectively. Building and maintaining good credit is essential for a secure financial future. Poor credit can cast a long shadow over your financial life. It can impact securing loans, housing, and even landing a job. Lenders see low credit scores as higher risk. One immediate consequence is higher interest rates. Lower credit scores mean higher interest payments. Poor credit affects renting an apartment or securing a mortgage. Landlords often check credit reports to screen tenants. Some employers conduct credit checks during hiring. Building good credit is crucial for financial stability. Building good credit from scratch may seem daunting, but it's entirely achievable with discipline and smart financial habits. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and demonstrate responsible credit management. One of the easiest ways to establish credit is to become an authorized user on a responsible family member's or friend's credit card. This allows you to benefit from their positive credit history and start building your own. Another option is to open a secured credit card. This type of card requires a security deposit, which typically becomes your credit limit. By using the card responsibly and paying your bills on time, you demonstrate creditworthiness to lenders. Finally, consider taking out a credit builder loan from a credit union or community bank. These loans are designed to help individuals establish credit. The loan amount is deposited into a savings account, and you make regular payments over a set term. Repairing damaged credit takes time and effort, but it's an investment in your financial future. The first step is to obtain your credit report from all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review your reports carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. Once you've identified any errors, dispute them with the respective credit bureaus. Provide supporting documentation to validate your claim. The credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. If you have negative marks on your credit report, such as late payments or collections, contact your creditors and try to negotiate a payment plan or settlement. Often, creditors are willing to work with you to resolve outstanding debts. Remember, credit repair is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to responsible financial behavior. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Maintaining good credit goes hand in hand with responsible credit use. It's not just about paying your bills on time, it's about using credit wisely and avoiding common pitfalls that can derail your financial progress. One crucial aspect of responsible credit use is keeping your credit utilization rate low. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit limit. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Avoid applying for too much credit in a short period. Each credit application triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Only apply for credit when you genuinely need it and have done your research. Furthermore, create a realistic budget and stick to it. This will help you manage your expenses effectively and avoid overspending, which can lead to credit card debt. Regularly review your credit card statements and bank accounts to track your spending and identify any potential issues. Good credit is more than just a score. It's a gateway to financial empowerment. It provides peace of mind, opens doors to opportunities, and allows you to navigate life's financial challenges with greater confidence. When you have good credit, you're in the driver's seat of your financial journey. You have access to lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money in the long run. You can qualify for better terms on mortgages and auto loans, making homeownership and transportation more affordable. Good credit gives you the financial flexibility to pursue your dreams, whether it's starting a business, investing in your education, or traveling the world. Remember, building and maintaining good credit is a continuous process. It requires discipline, responsibility, and a commitment to making sound financial decisions. By embracing the power of good credit, you pave the way for a brighter and more secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones.